These advanced giant woodcutting machines are not only simple tools, but also an important part of today's forest product exploitation process. Let's see the power and miracles that this machine brings. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos. Let's start. The giant mower John Deere 1470 is a skilled logger, equipped with a powerful 9.0 litre engine that moves through the dense wilderness, generating 250 horsepower with perfect handling. Processing wood at an astonishing rate of 5 logs per minute. Close-up of the 600 amps operation, equipped with tremendous power. With the power of its roaring engine, this formidable harvester can easily cut through the densest forests. Equipped with advanced technology with incredible speed and precision, the Mrs. 500 easily carries out the mammoth task of felling a giant tree whose trunk has a staggering diameter of 1.3 meters with ease. Easy. A perfect combination of humans and a giant woodcutting machine with an impressive capacity of 500 horsepower. CC Bois harvests wood at a speed of 8 logs per minute. Precision and power, this advanced mining machine turns the forest into a symphony. Continue with the Husqvarna 359 chainsaw, a symphony of power and precision. Powerful performance and advanced engineering turn giant logs into countless smaller pieces. This nimble Husqvarna 550 chainsaw features a fast cutting speed of 13,000 RPM along with a 50.18 engine. The 550.1s engine, the 550X easily turns old cherry tree trunks into manageable sections. The Nisula 555 is seamlessly integrated with the powerful Volvo 145 chassis and Flex 14 technology. This formidable duo command the forest, easily cutting through trees at a rate of 10 logs per minute. Vimector 540 is a powerful machine designed with a compact frame to deliver cutting precision with a cutting speed of 40 trees per minute. A classic machine stands tall in a dense forest in cold weather. Along with its precision and smooth moving speed, this giant machine is always in the top 10 in the logging industry today. The powerful giant cutter Ponce in Bulgaria is operating at full capacity. The Ponce Fox 8x8 is equipped with advanced technology that can handle hardwood logs easily and quickly. With many years of experience in controlling giant machines, the man makes the process of moving and cutting wood smoother and faster. The trees are cut accurately and arranged neatly. The MIS 360 Tour saw turns dense logs into small pieces with unparalleled precision at an impressive speed of 362 units. The Nishula 425 is a multi-purpose harvester equipped with a clamping arm that makes handling and classifying wood easy. The Naka 3 control system adjusts the grip force of the handle to the tree trunk to firmly help the cutting process. With its advanced design, this amazing technology demonstrates its power by easily dividing logs evenly for easy transportation and quick handling. The appearance of these giant machines made the forest look small. Their precision and efficient working capacity caused the giant trees to surrender immediately. The John Deere feller buncher 859M is an advanced machine equipped with a powerful engine that produces 272 horsepower. This giant machine easily harvests wood in the densest forests at impressive speeds. Amidst the lush wilderness, Ponce's 7 emerged as a giant with precision and power. This machine cuts trees with ease and has impressive power, setting new standards for excellence in forestry. Amid the forests of Latvia, the innovatively designed Nisula 285 perfectly combines power and precision, dissecting towering trees with ease. A tall oak tree was felled in less than 10 minutes by a modern chainsaw. Dorma 341 chainsaw with powerful power and precise engineering. It cuts huge blocks of wood, demonstrating its dominance in the chainsaw industry. Equipped with advanced technology, with impressive splitting force, the H800 splitting head with grapple attachment quickly conquers the challenge of splitting hardwood, making the job easy. With human creativity, a self-invented machine has been tested to help split large logs easily and save working time. Dipperfox 600 with advanced technology and powerful design has outstanding indicators, easily navigates the soil and uproots tree stumps of considerable size. The latest invention, Valtra 234 with Kessler crane and Hazelhack chipper, has made crushing large logs easier. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.